Our organization, through its participation in the Gold program, had multiple benefits. First of all, we had the opportunity to come into contact with agencies from Greece and abroad that apply innovative and effective practices to support elderly people, some of which we have integrated into similar actions before. In addition, through the project, Frodizo was able to create communication material, presentations, videos, and disseminate to a wider audience the good practices for the elderly and chronically ill, such as the daycare center for people with dementia in Patras and the home intervention dementia program. Our beneficiaries have seen all the material, and we think that it was very helpful for them as well. In order to highlight the positive results obtained from the project and to increase the impact of Frodizo, we plan to make presentations at conferences and seminars in Greece and abroad. We would like to present healthy and active aging to as many people as we can. We are also planning meetings with other agencies at local and national level to organize actions and programs, some of which are based on good practices from the Gold program. Similar meetings will be held with the project team of all the structures of Frodizo in order to inform them about the results obtained from the Gold project and to reflect on similar actions for our organization in the future.